Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing an honest review of RedotPay, a digital payment platform that's been getting a lot of attention lately. We'll go over what it is, how it works, its pros, cons, and everything you should know before signing up. And for now, let's dive right in. What is RedotPay? So what exactly is RedotPay? RedotPay is a digital financial service that provides virtual and physical debit cards, often used for online payments and global transactions. It's especially popular among freelancers, travelers who want easy cross-border spending without the traditional banking hassle. You can top up your card using stablecoins like USDT or USDC, or even through other supported payment methods depending on your region. Here are some of the main features that make RedotPay stand out. Number one, virtual and physical card. Perfect for both online and in-store payments. Global payments accepted on major platforms like Amazon, Netflix, and Google Play. User-friendly app. Easy to manage funds and monitor spending in real time. Security offers two-factor authentication, encryption, and transaction limits for safety. So whether you are an online shopper, digital nomad, or freelancer, it's designed to make spending globally more convenient. Pros. Ease of use. The interface is clean and card setup is quick. Global accessibility. Works most anywhere MasterCard or Visa is accepted. No hidden fees. Fees are generally transparent and clearly displayed. Fast transactions. Top-ups and payments are usually processed in minutes. Many users like it because it offers more flexibility than typical banks. Cons. Regional restrictions. Not available in all countries. Of course, nothing is perfect as you know. So before you do that, check if your region is supported first. Limited customer support. Some users report slow response times, verification delays. KYC verification might take longer for new users. New platform risk. As a relatively new service, it doesn't yet have long-term trust record of established financial apps. Is it worth it? So is RedotPay worth it? If you're looking for a modern way to pay globally, RedotPay can be a solid choice. It's fast, versatile, and offers great control for tech-savvy users. But you should be cautious about regional support and reliability as the platform continues to grow. That wraps up this honest review of RedotPay. If you find this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.